Atypical sitting now we're going into props. This is where you were talking about environmental. To me, this is environmental. I get it. There's times I'm taking a shower, you're feeding the kids, you've got dinner on the stove. You're going to have to put your child in a safe environment, which might include one of these chairs or a swing. They're there for a very short period. I can tell you right now, I can go out to dinner tonight. Any baby that's there that is in a car seat experience is not being brought out of the car seat for dinner. It's very rare that I see someone holding a child, they just leave them in the basket. And that is just not good for our nervous system. I don't know about you, but if you've seen your grandfather sit in a lazy boy for 5 hours with a football team and game and try and get up, it's not pretty. We shouldn't be doing it to our babies. Now, this is a really atypical. You can see already with the helmet, but again, eyes gone, everything. He cannot sit independently. Sitting independently is going to happen around 5.5 months, where you can prop your child, and then by 6.5 months, they can get in and out of sitting. But that fall is really, and again, a lot of people would say on something like that he should have had proprioceptive responses, meaning being able to catch himself. No, when you're sitting, there's no catch because there's no fall. There shouldn't be fall in sitting. Whereas you see this little munchkin, not only is she sitting independently, right? Now, what I said about the shoulders, now you're starting to see it in her pelvis, right? The pelvis is just moving where she can just float from objects. She can independent play. She's going into side sitting right here, transferring over. But when she transferred over, let's watch that again. Did she put her hands down? Even this child, because she knew, again, her spatial organization, because look at how sharp her vision is, the way that she's moving around. She has peripheral vision. She's going back. She has memory recognition. She's going over there and she's just playing. But she didn't put her hand down to brace for impact because she has weight transfer. All these skills that she's there, she has it. Her pelvic movements are now kicking in for her countered support and sitting, right? She's not sitting there using core strength. She's using core movement. These are just real simple. I hope you're really starting to see these nice little movements that are necessary to go into a more typical development. However, if your child is not going into these movements, right, this is where you stop now and get that support. I'm here to help you. I'm here to get in and out of position. These movements are so beneficial to your child, but they're beneficial to you.